CMR said, him going out of the room, see the little playing with herself, right? Then he left the room, tell her to get up. Then he left the room to go back to get the school. Mind you, him see all of that and him act like him never see it. So him unsee all of that. That is a serious issue because first thing, adults supposed to talk about that. So you're supposed to go to the mother and say, listen, that's what I saw the child doing. So obviously she's engaging in sexual things. So a serious business that we talk about. So how you go see that and then act like say you never see it? Something not add up. I don't know, help me understand it. Because I don't feel like saying that a straight business. CMR.
My viewers and subscribers, you hear what I say? I want the them listen to the famous Prettii Don. Yeah, me I laugh still, because you are going now. Me listen Prettii Don now and then. Because Prettii Don is say some words sometime. Me is not a man where go in a certain words. I mean I like listen to certain words. I mean I like listen to certain kind of things. So Prettii Don is just a person where me will listen now and then, laugh, because she do her thing. Funny as hell sometimes. But more I listen to her now when she up on the serious side. More I listen to exactly what me I talk about.
A schoolgirl and schoolboy incident the other day. I don't know how me stay what time do them topic here, you know. It's like, it's a bittersweet because these are kids, bro. You understand me? I say, and again, I always try to tell them, I say, yo, we have to learn to deal with the youth them in a better way, where as far as mental health and them things. You see that little girl who did what she did to the little boy? She was touched by men last year.
Listen.
You understand me?
Listen what she has said.
Meaning this little girl is going through trauma, bro. You feel me, I did? The little boy always run joke with her and ramp with her and sitting. Probably this idea her trauma is at a hard time high and she just can't bother. And sadly the little boy life is lost and fear life is lost because no, she have to go to prison for taking the life of a little one. You understand me? Parents, let me tell you this. You see what them little girls them go through things like them traumatic trauma they, when you say some grown man do them sick them to her, bro. Get your kid help, bro. Make your kid go see counseling, dog. You feel me? Just
my viewers and subscribers. People say a lot of things about this woman. People say a lot of things. Her business is her business. How she live her life is how she live her life. But listen to what she just said a while ago. If you sit down and think about it, many people would not say, oh, that not come up. I Prettii Don that? I really Prettii Don I say that?
Trauma goes a far way and it live in a women forever, bro. Like, if you and your family know say this thing for people and hush what the whole on just shut up like Crissy. The mother of the child not coming out and saying anything. You the accused as my brethren. You should never say nothing out of your blood clot mouth at all, dog.
Hold on. My viewers and subscribers, Prettii Don and CMR a real friend in a real life. Like real friend. Make you watch.
Nobody no give a fuck how you do about CMR. Me I tell you good truth, you. Nobody no give a fuck about you do. Nobody no give a fuck about your music career. Everybody give a fuck about. If you touch a local pitney or you don't touch a local pitney. If you is a monster or if you don't know a monster in general.
Exactly.
How about you come out here and try to explain to these people if you wrongfully fuck around the pitney or blood clot now. Me see the mother up on the internet, she hush about it. You hush about it. We were made to say, what really a one, what really a blood clot hide. Because the way we look on the family right now, it look like someone hide one heap of things, brother. It look like someone cover out things, youth. It look like so right now things are straight while going right there. So right now more no in myself. I look at you, me general. Did you fuck this picnic? And not everybody want bumbuck like no. Nobody know about you sang them. Nobody know.
Wow. Just like that. That's exactly what people want to know. Up till now, even though it's an ongoing case, you not even say you're not guilty. If it's you can say you're not guilty, you don't know nothing about it. You can continuously say that, but you not do that. You just live big, live free, live easy, like there's nothing happen. The graduation, everybody talk about it. Congratulations. And J Progress, I give you so much flowers, not even a cruise ship can carry.
Nobody know how we are got a blood clot, Jim. Did you fuck the pussy clot pitney you? You touch it on? And that you want bumbo clot no. You can't come here and look for no soft spot, bro. So till your bumbo clot talk. The real thing over here, your blood clot talk. You touch it out, brother. We don't give a fuck about your gym dog. Go suck yourself with that, bro. Go jump in your girl with that, you. Did you fucking pitney? You touch it pitney? You grab it, you take a pitney inappropriate, bro. And that we want to know you. Fuck you in the gym. Me don't give a fuck about you. No, beats and rain. Nigga, fuck you. We want to know. You get bring down youth. This is a situation and a nice situation. When you the touch no blood clot pitney youth. And you
hold on a little bit. Hold on a little bit. Guys, did you just hear a Prettii Don say? This is not an easy situation. This is not a walk in the park. This alone will blighten career. This alone will make people are going to look upon you down at all times. And you not even try to say, my viewers and subscribers, to be honest with you, I never do this. You not even do that. You will live your life like it's a normal walk in the park, like everything all right. And you have people behind you, I congratulate you. People are give you flowers, people are do this, people are do everything. And then not even I talk about the person who said, I just want him to stop doing it. I just want somebody to tell him to stop. She don't want him to get in trouble, but she just wants somebody to tell him to stop.
Yes, I talk about you come from Jim. What with the pitney? The pitney when you raise all in blood clot life. What with the youth? What with the bumbo clot youth? That me as a general. What the pussy clot you show with Jim for? When the bumbo clot you show we are exercise for. We don't give a fuck, me G. Show where you are come from blood clot court with the blood clot verdict. Tell me what one. Show we. Your bumbo clot come out, you feel like so we don't have skin teeth with your right hand now, bro. What with the youth? What with the bumbo clot picnic? That no one know youth. How we go? We don't see local girl round, none of that. What one? The fuck you come and show me the things we don't want to fuck. Fuck you and them sign, the fuck you and the gym. What with the picnic? What one, yes sir. You see me? Every day people being up on the internet. Oh, I told you, me there is a weird pound circumstantial evidence. Real facts. Only thing you come out with a blood clot exercise video and song where you make from last year. Brother, what going with the youth? What going this up?
Preach.
Why Crissy not have anything to say?
Preach.
Crissy, why are you not defending your... What's going on here, Crissy?
Well, remember, Crissy is the greatest mother. Crissy is the best mother, according to J Progress. She's the best mother. She ain't saying nothing. She have a website selling clothes and doing this and making money and says God knows best and the devil and...
Why are you not acting like the mother that you're supposed to be? That's the real question here. Why aren't you not in dismay for this whole situation with your daughter? Why you not hurt? Why you not bad? Why you not tear out your hair?
And yeah, you hear that? Hold on a little bit. Replay the video and listen. Why she not cry? Or why she not... Why it's so... She said nobody now make she do this or do that and do this. God knows best.
Why you not protect your local girl? Who want to know? Because at the end of the day, something a hide, yes sir. Who not be find you? Why there? Me a blood clot Dora, not even me can't find me. Dora! Boots! And me can't blood clot find me. Why there? And I'm here Dora, me have a book. And me have a backpack. And me have a bumbo clock map. I'm the map. And me can't find it. Crissy walk one. Me never see a mother where have a daughter will say a man do that to them act like this. Mothers are always in hurt and one blood clot tear out here and one go kill half man and
not all of them still. Not all of them.
Not all of them.
Not all of the mothers in still.
Why you not have this you feeling? Yeah. The public of Jamaica want know this Crissy. So why your daughter will go through this? Your daughter will make such a complaint. Why you don't feel any way about it? We don't see it. It's like we don't see no sympathy. We don't see no empathy for you, for your own youth. So we look at it and we say, yo, I want really go on this. The mother not too sure no wally parade. My man they just a god gym. It's like they will carry on with this like a regular day, like that never just come out one day. That not get addressed in. You not get addressed in no time at all, bro. It's like one does a try sweep this under the rug and just outside. Me could know the truth. Me could know if it was a lie. Me could know if it did fake. Me could know if the girl go make up all kind of fabricated shit on the man. We don't know. But you can't just carry on, so like say yo, that never gone. That can't robot, bro. That can't robot. That is so, it can't robot. What go on this up? This look fuck up, brother. This is your youth. Oh, come you not feel one way, Crissy? Oh, you know, kill up yourself. Something not right. Something don't right. We not carry on. We not sweep on the rug. What is this? This is the reason why I never have anything to say about this situation. Because trust me, me don't know what kind of lie I tell you, sir. Me don't know who I cover up, why you, sir. But something is not right. Something right, yes, and not smell right to me.
Yes.
And from me a smell till now, I know me can't smell nothing right, bro. Me say yes, sir, froze here for think like a dog. Yeah. When you think about right, yes, sir. Be a shit ya smell. Be a shit ya smell to Bumbleclad. I know nobody can come with clear evidence. Nobody can come with no good blood clot explanation. Just a move on with life. We have to watch them. We have to watch them. We have to watch them. Cause this kind of sweet.
My viewers and subscriber. Prettii Don say it all. Yeah, man. Prettii Don just say it all. Yes, man. These are the real issue. Yeah, man. Now, we go talk about, after Prettii Don just say all them things, now we go talk about all of the flowers and the so perfect family that J Progress said these people are. Yes, me could get in it. What's happening? Welcome, my viewers and subscribers to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle. How you do? What going out there? Happy Saturday. Now, my viewers and subscribers, guess what? Rain a fall out of door, but I know the normal rain like where everybody have. Ice rain a fall out of door. Yeah, man, we go show no some might little more. When I say ice rain, I mean ice a fall like rain. Yes, man. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, here we are going now. I want to talk about a few things in this video. But there's a main thing we want to talk about in this video. And it concerns CMR. Yeah, man, it concerns CMR. And a little part of it, not a lot of it, a little part of it, me go talk about something when me hear J Progress I talk about. Yes, man, me say it, man, J Progress. Yeah, man, big up yourself over the youth. Anyway, me go talk about you. Because, yeah, I think, yeah, man, me go talk about you. Me just leave it there, so. Yeah, me go talk about when me hear you are set on your channel. Because normally me no watch you, still. But me thumbs up your thing, them, what, you know, and thing. Because everybody need money and need push. But you what me I say? When me listen to J Progress the other night, he no deliberately say it out time out. But him gay Crissy and CMR all the garden, the whole flower shop. My viewers and subscribers, J Progress give Crissy and CMR the whole flower shop, the flower avenue, the whole flower garden. And give them so much flowers, me I tell you. Then house can't keep all of them flowers there. J Progress say are the best mothers and fathers. Crissy are the greatest mother. CMR are the greatest father. Yes, man, me hear him. Me hear him. Me, to be honest with you, I feel him opinion still. Me can't say nothing about him opinion. Nope. No. Me nah go say him shouldn't say. That's his opinion. But me couldn't believe when me hear him I say, they are such a good fathers, they are such a good mother. But then him say, him I wonder where the breakdown come. Which me say, when me hear that part, then me say to myself, it come like reality hit you. Me or you, J Progress, do not live in a them people house. So we don't know when the breakdown come. We don't know what happening there. But J Progress, what me have to ask you is, did you see the police report? Or do you think the police report isn't right? And the reason why I say that is, as according to what you say animosity could not go on in the house with CMR and the daughter. That made the daughter come up with this allegation. Yeah, you say that. Play back your video, you can't hear it. But me, I wonder to myself, J Progress, your daughter, what, about 17? Me give thanks and praises. Say your daughter never come out and say you do that to her. Enough respect for that. Enough respect for that. But as a man with a child, protecting a man who the child said It happened 3 times. It kind of amused me though. But also, J Progress, you ask a question and you see what your people said to you. They would have left that man immediately. They would have run with that man. Because you ask a question to get a certain answer, you never get the answer what you did want. Because you say Crissy is so, yeah, like nothing happened. For real, Crissy act like nothing happened for you. You also say you feel so good to watch the smile on CMR face when the little girl was in his arm. Yes, that was a very nice moment. But also, did you hear the video? Did you watch the video when Crissy was live, when that same little girl said, "Mommy, is daddy going to analyze you, then analyze us?" Did you watch that video? Go back and watch that same video. Crissy was alive, yeah? And then the thing is, what surprised me is they never cut it out. Them never cut it out of the video. Me I wonder to myself, why them not cut it out of the video? But that same little girl that was hugging her dad, which was very good. It's very, listen to me, listen to me. Every kid need their father. Every kid need them father. And what was surprising to you was that the other girl wasn't there. But also remember that the court said he cannot be seen around the person that is listed in the court order. you never hear that part. Yes, he cannot be seen around that girl. But the court never said he cannot be seen around his own kids. And that's what them are use. You say you didn't see Crissy. But I think you need to watch it again. You're not going to see her, but you go hear her voice. Yeah, you won't see her, but you will hear her voice. Let me tell you something. There's a lot that is going on. Graduation, music videos, and all of those things when it's not alleged or an allegation. It's a police, there's a police report about the situation what happened. And people act like nothing happened. Yeah, people act like nothing happened. They might take time sweep it under the rug. Yeah, they might take time sweep it right under the rug like nothing happened. It's an open case. It's an open case. Still, it's an open case. Check it now, man. It's an open case. So, what them a do, and what them a hack, and how them a hack, it's surprising to a lot of people. It's surprising to millions. Let me tell you something. Roxanne British, big up yourself. Roxanne British is also a person who was violated. And she was even wondering, listen to me, I can't go in too much of this thing, because this thing is a serious topic. But for you to say, yeah, I wonder if there is something between the little girl and him, and the little girls could go and do this. It's just sad to hear that I come from a man mouth who, to be honest with you, he's a smart guy. Yes. I saw me stay now. Me not beat around bush. Me not tell you straight. Yeah, he's a smart guy. But for hear that I come out of your mouth, and it trouble you because you say, no sir, no matter. No mother can do that. No, you don't think no mother in this world would have be that dangerous. But let me tell you something. When me know a mother where our man breed our daughter. And when the daughter go to the mother and tell the mother what the man had do to her, the mother backs her down. I mean, I ask you, me I tell you that. The last time I check, which was last year when me that Jamaica, you know who and who still there? The man and the woman still there. You know when my friend still there? In a Jamaica with the son of the mother man. Some youth, sometime, you is Mr. Intelligence. But he's just like the rest. We are protect the monster and that evil woman. Me no care what you want to come and say to me. You know. Me no care what you want to lick back and say. But me listen to your video. And me not telling a lie. You said the little girl a liar. You said the little girl may cook up some things. You give them flowers. You talk about how great they are. How good of a mother, as a father they are. When you have no idea who they really is. When you sip on camera is where all we sip on camera. The only thing is you forgot to see the part where Himalayas I watch the girl ass. The little girl in the house ass. You never see them things. You never see them things. But you see the graduation. Yay for the graduation. Hooray for the graduation. Yeah, you see that part there. Yeah, man, at that part you see. You don't see nothing else. Let me tell you something, brother. Let me tell you something, man, a brother. He's a man, he's a man. You see, in a life, them say, when a little girl open her mouth and say something out of it, sometimes we say a lie them a tell. Until when we see it for the eye, with the one eye. Dear Progress, did you realize what CMR said first when everything comes out? CMR alone give away himself when everything comes out. Let me go tell you exactly what him say. Him say there's a camera in the room, so him no do nothing. The camera can prove everything. Then him go back and him say the camera don't record. Why there's a camera in that little girl room? Hold on a little bit. J Progress, did you hear the part when CMR said why the camera was in the room was because he, CMR, go in there and see her playing guitar? If you know what guitar means, seem like how you say the puppeteer, yeah? You know what guitar mean. Now, if you go in the room and see that little girl play a guitar, what would you do? Would you keep it to yourself or would you go tell the mother? Which one would you do? Then, why there's a camera in the room? If you see that little girl playing guitar, would you put a camera in the room? If you put a camera in the room, you put a camera in the room for watch her playing the guitar. What do you, man? But you are give them flowers and you are talk and you are say this and you are say that. And may I tell you another thing? When me watch your video, you never say nothing good about that little girl. You never say nothing about the victim. Tell you the truth, me never watch all of it still. Me don't watch all of your video still. Because I 1 hour and 33 minutes. That's all? Yeah, something like that. Yeah, me never watch all of it. Because me couldn't really watch all of it still and I listen to you. I beat down a little girl and I give them flowers. Now, the reason why me even talk about this still, because, you know you stay. Because me say, what him name there, do a video, with your video, and me see you come out and I do all kind of video about them sheep and what you say. So me know you love act like, but me's a cool and easy youth. Yeah, man, me's a cool and easy youth. But what me have to tell you, sir, is me can't tell you how to do your video, and me will never tell you how to do your video. But me have the right to talk about your video. Me never show nothing on your video. Not even you talking, me not talk use for my video. No. All me use your picture in my thumbnail. But here what me I say to you. If it was a poor man do that to that little girl, or if it was a nobody, you would not talk about it. Like if somebody call you and tell you about a man do something to that little girl, oh yeah, you'd have blast it on your thing. Me I tell you, you'd have blast it, you'd have give your real opinion. How wicked them is. But no, you not do that. Because CMR is who he is. Crissy is who he is, the star couple. Yeah. Millions and thousands of people were congratulate him upon him graduation. None of them now say what happened to the little girl. The little girl say 3 times it happened. Them say them go in our room and catch her play guitar. Him, CMR say it. Him say him go there and see her play guitar and him hurry up and pull back the door. That's the same time when her. That's the same time he get locked up. Right after the thanks, we call it the Halloween. You do videos, you know. You do videos about it. Me no watch them still. Me not lie to you, me no watch them still. But me see the thumbnails. I think one of the thumbnails say Crissy and CMR think bigger than what they think. I can't even remember. Yeah, man, me can't even remember. But you do video. But you so give them the flowers. Yeah. You big them up. Them are the greatest mother, the greatest father. But there's an allegation. The little girl give a police report and give a report to the school. So that ain't nothing at all. That ain't nothing at all. That ain't nothing at all. But you are big him up. How great of a father. How great. Do you know what going on in the house? Let me tell you something. I'm going to go tell you and millions and thousands of people something. Whether if them he's for CMR, he's for Crissy, or whosoever they is for, or they is not for them. You remember when Crissy didn't have the car when he cheat on her with the girl? You remember how she that cry? You remember how she did that operate? You remember how she that go on? But she not do this for this little girl. And that's why me think something is really wrong. And me think some serious cover up are going on. Yeah. Some serious cover up are going on. Yeah, man. Some really serious cover up are going on. But me and you and all who attack can't do nothing until the police, the judge, make them final talk, because we don't know what really going on in the house. Me, you, he, she, and the old lady, we don't know what going on in the house because we only see a small part. And that's why, within myself, me I wonder to myself, say, why you are think about if there's an animosity between the girl and the man. There shouldn't be animosity against them. You know why there shouldn't be animosity against them? That's a little girl. You're a grown-ass man. So you and this little girl shouldn't have no altercation, no allegation. Because as far as where we see and know, him grow that little girl. Apparently they said the little girl dad must have passed away. So that little girl only know him. So you think that little girl go just grow up and say, me not like you? The little girl say it happened 3 times. She never say it happened 1 time or 2 times. 3 times. And she just want somebody to tell him to stop. And she don't want him getting in trouble. She just want somebody to tell him to stop. Just listen to those words, no man. She don't want him getting in trouble, she just want somebody to tell him to stop. But you wonder if there's an altercation between the two of them. What do you, brother?